Welcome to this Deto's Biochar video. We are going to show you how we inoculate it and how to apply it. First, a short look at what biochar is and why it works as a natural slow-release fertilizer. This is a piece of charcoal. When you zoom in close enough, it stops looking like charcoal. It becomes valleys, mountains, a landscape you would not recognize from the outside. What looks like a big rock up close is just carbon. To turn it into biochar, it needs to be inoculated. We charge ours with vermicompost, the worm castings from our bins. Those valleys you are looking at are pores, and those pores are the reason biochar works. When we mix it with vermicompost, the microbes from the compost move into the pores and settle there. Now when you put this into your soil, it becomes a slow-release store of nutrients that keeps working for years. The microbes in the pores feed your plants over time, not all at once. And it recharges. Every time you add a top dressing of compost on your soil and water it, the charcoal fills up again. The same piece keeps working season after season. Hi Pluki, he likes to keep me company. This is our charcoal storage area. We keep it well stocked to supply retail customers. You will hear a crow in the background. He also likes to keep me company every day. Now we go to the worm breeder bits. This is where our vermicompost comes from. This is the harvested vermicompost, ready to inoculate the charcoal. The charcoal is about 3/4 of the bucket. We fill the remaining space with vermicompost. We move on to the inoculation part to turn the charcoal into biochar. You can use water, cow urine or human urine. All three work. We use human urine collected and stored in bottles. Urine is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the three main nutrients plants need. One person's urine contains enough fertilizer value to grow a surprising amount of food. Here's why it works well with this method. The vermicompost brings the microbes, the urine brings the nutrients, and the charcoal pores capture both, holding them in the soil and releasing them slowly over time. A complete package. After the biochar has inoculated for 2 to 3 weeks, it is ready to go into the ground. We dig a trench about 15 to 20 centimeters deep, that is the root zone, deep enough that the nutrients stay accessible to the plant, shallow enough that the roots reach them easily. Then we cover it with vermicompost and soil. Once it is in the ground, the same piece of biochar stays there and keeps working, season after season. It does not break down like compost does. Every time you add a top dressing of compost or fertilizer on top and water it, the water carries those nutrients down into the soil and the biochar captures them again. Same principle next to the banana trees. Dig holes close to the roots, add the biochar, cover it back up, the tree gets a steady supply of nutrients with every watering or rain.
Oui, la terre là.
We have used biochar in all of our raised beds as well. This is what happens when you use biochar and vermicompost together. The results speak for themselves. What makes this worth showing is the soil. This is not topsoil. This ground came from a place where they extract rocks, quarry subsoil, basically dead. No organic matter, no life. Biochar and vermicompost brought it back. The raised beds now grow marigolds, basil, purple basil, wild tomatoes, Swiss chard, pak choi, lettuce, all of it thriving in soil that was essentially inert before. This is the point of this method. You do not need perfect soil to start. You just need to feed what you have. Look at this crunchy Swiss chard leaf. Don't you just want to bite into it? I have it for breakfast. It's ready to go. Get yourself a Dittos vermicompost bucket, one with biochar and aged compost.